Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, we've got a 1956 Pontiac Chieftain and it is a knockout. Body off the frame restored car. This thing is incredible. I'm not even going to ask you to pay half of what it costs to restore a car like this. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs. You'll see photos top to bottom and you'll get the price not only on this car, but a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel and if you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified first as these videos come out. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 56 Pontiac. Body off the frame restoration. That means literally what it says. Body was off the frame. It means the whole chassis was restored. The front end was all rebuilt. Brakes were redone. The chassis was cleaned and painted a nice gloss black. All new rubber body bushings. They sent the body back down on the frame. The underbody of the car is really clean, original metal. It has its factory undercoat. And then, like I said, the chassis is detailed in black. Underneath is a Hydra-Matic automatic transmission. These actually have dual heaters. There's another heater core and heater under the seat as well as up in the dash. At the time of restoration, the fuel tank was redone and all the lines and brake lines. It's got a dual exhaust system with cherry bomb style mufflers. So underneath the car, you can check out at our website. This color just pops. Nice 50s looking color on a 50s style car. That mint green is just beautiful. Now, at the beginning, I said we're not even going to charge half what it would cost. I can tell you right now, this would be equivalent to a $15,000 paint job all day long. That's what professional shops are charging. That's not at the high end. That's just what a good shop will charge for a good paint job on a clean car. They did start with a clean car. The owner claimed it's never been in a wreck, and I would have to believe that because the body is absolutely straight, dry, along the rockers, the bottom of the doors, everything is just clean metal. The paint is polished out, smooth as silk. Now another big ticket item is all this chrome. You wouldn't want the bill from the chrome plater shop if you took all this trim off and sent it out and had it all redone. The stainless is literally polished. It almost looks like chrome, and that's all stainless trim. Even up here on the tops of the doors, around the vent windows. This has the little flippers. They work. You all know I love it when a door shuts like that. That's nice. It has the fingernail guards right here. Polished stainless steel fender skirts. And all the trim, every piece is beautiful. Optional reverse lights. This is all redone. Just gorgeous trim. Around the fuel door, the little trim there, that's an option. All the stainless around the glass. The gasket is soft. This rear window is real nice and clear. Looking at inside, looks like there's some aftermarket speakers in there. And the cardboard deck looks nice. That flipper works too. Nice, nice, nice. The channel in here, the fuzzy channel, is redone. Chrome is beautiful around the glass. The glass is all crystal clear. Got the reproduction white wall tires. The hubcaps look immaculate. They look brand new. They probably are. The rim is painted to match the green color in the body. This lights up. That's worth the asking price by itself. I think that is the coolest thing. I'll light it up for you in just a minute. Look at the big mouth grill on this thing. Look at all that chrome. And of course, you got the strips going down the hood here. All the metal is completely smooth. The firewall and the jamb is painted white. It's got new bolts and hardware. The inner structure here is all a smooth black. You can tell it's nice, clean metal. The motor itself, you can tell, was a part. I can see, new bolts and gaskets and fuel lines. It wasn't just spray canned over. This was a part and restored. It's a 317. It's a V8. It has the 4-barrel carburetor. Door jambs are beautiful, perfectly clean on the bottom. The weather strips are soft. Interior is real nice. Beautiful trunk. It's got the proper mat on the bottom. It's all painted real nice. Everything's painted slick. It's a matching tire for a spare. Has the jack. Comes with a show board, a show sign. Door panels are real nice and straight. They're not warped or beat up. Little staining, a little discoloring on the vinyl part here. The upholstery looks real nice. Dash is beautiful. It's painted beautifully. All the chrome sparkles. All the white ivory knobs are nice. The medallion in the middle of the horn ring is really cool, and that's in excellent condition. Back to the motor compartment. Yeah, the wiring you can see looks new. It's got the horns, has the hood insulation. Bottom of the hood is painted beautifully. All the spark plug wires, distributor looks real nice. It's got the big canister oil filter hanging off the bottom there with the original decal on it, the AC decal. The interior lights work under the dash and up in the dome. The handles and cranks and armrests are real nice. We fire it up for you. It just fired right up. I think this has been sitting in here since yesterday. Inside the glove box, the liner's new. It has the owner's manual. Cloth headliner and visor's real nice. The mirror's immaculate. Steering wheel, beautiful. It does have one crack at the bottom, but it's smooth. I'll show you that hood ornament. Doesn't light up real bright, but at night you'll definitely see it. When it comes around, you may be able to tell that it is lit up and working. That's a neat piece. I'd like to have that on my desk. Windshield looks new. Realized the original AM radio is rebuilt. It has modern stereo components inside the radio. So the AM radio is actually a stereo. All the rubber. This is a nice car. If it's quality that you're looking for, this is it right here. I genuinely believe it was a super nice car to start with. They took it all apart and did a high quality restoration. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. We can help answer any more questions or concerns you have about the car, about the process, the shipping, the financing. We can help with all of that. Also, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified first as these beautiful cars are put out there on YouTube. So, hope you enjoyed and come back for more.